yet it won't feel like it. Right here with the Boca Public Library. Put a map on the video to show you where this is at. "91 degrees right now. We're going to be making a walk through a nice nature preserve. Here we go. We'll be evaluation of the area around. There's a little lake back here behind it. It's really cool how they do this down here. If you're not from the area or haven't seen it, they intertwine residential into these sides of the nature preserve, but you can't see it, and they agree not to have this nature preserve destroyed. Disney World does this similar with their land. They agreed to the state of Florida to give back some marshland, some nature. So you have this huge Disney complex, and they don't build on a lot of it because of that reason. It's to protect the wildlife and what's around this state. As you're going to see, drought has affected this area. Not nearly as bad as the West Coast, Southwest. And here's the beginning to the story walk through nature. And the story walk is going to tell a little, hence story, it's going to tell a story about nature here. And it's here to help the children be motivated to walk the area with their parents and let everybody have nice fun out in the sun, given it's beautiful here all year round. So here we go. I'm not going to bore you with my conversation the whole time. Only at peak things that I see that are of relevance to anyone to note. In the woods here, I'm going to show you a backside of the library. You can see as we're moving away here. There's the library, and this will be the last time we see any quote-unquote civilization as we go. Note the palm trees parting way for some nature. And here we have a little description about Story Walk. Story Walk is a fun educational activity that places a children's storybook along a popular walking route in the community. It was created as a way for people of all ages to combine physical activity with books and to help build children's interest in reading while encouraging healthy activity for all. Take and share your photos with us on social media using the @Boca Library tag. Now, this is at a few different parks. This isn't exclusive to this park, but it is a neat way. So this way would be a walk to continue around the lake, but we're gonna go Story Walk Lane. Here we go. Over here we have a butterfly garden. Over here we have a butterfly. All the plants here are not a lot flowering. I'll put an image on the screen so you can take a better look at that. It's beautiful in the fall seasons, and when it's cooler, this is just gorgeous. Lots going on here, lots of activity. You'll notice here some more dried up, dying bushes and things just from some of the drought. Not necessarily all year or any storm. The water does pool up around here as well. Nice big cool jungle here. Here the fun will continue. Looks like we got a choice. This way to Story Walk. That must be the exit. Okay, I know it's the exit. I cheated. I've been here before. If you look in the back, there's a gazebo there. That gazebo is supposed to be over the marshland. It's like some actual water. We'll get to it towards the end, but the water's not there. All right. Way down deep in the deep blue sea, I spy a seahorse racing by me. Hello, seahorse. Giddy up, seahorse. See you later, seahorse. We got some more sand that's visible with lots of things that are brown, lots of trees, and you see this is how you can tell. It's just like this area usually has the water in it, and it's just barren and dry, and all the palm trees at the bottom are drooping down as a result of that dryness. What's interesting about this area is when you walk in the shade, the temperature drops. It seems like 15 to 20 degrees. It's called a canopy. Here we go. Next storybook. Way down deep in the deep blue sea, I had a hermit crab hiding from me. Hello, crab. Peekaboo, crab. See you later, crab. Swim away with me. I added the me. So, but again, this is a canopy, so it's really nice. And that's why there's a bench put here. So if you want to take a break, it is very cool here. Usually the water that's around would keep it cooler than it is right now, but there's so much shade. And you see, it's just covered. It's like you'd see in the movies, ladies and gentlemen. But it's my backyard. Let's go. We'll talk canopy again, I promise. I see another story. Next story page. Way down deep in the deep blue sea, I spy a starfish dancing with me. Hello, starfish. Do-si-do, starfish. See you later, starfish. Swim away. Now, again, we're still kind of in this canopy here, but if you look, there's a storm possibly coming. Hope I don't get caught out here. If you listen, you could hear the locusts, birds, all kinds of cool stuff out here. Can't hear the crocodiles or snakes, scorpions, but they're here too. All right, we're gonna exit the cement path here. Just to show you, it becomes a lot more clear, the water. So you see how these pine trees are sitting down, and then the deep grass back there. This stuff's all supposed to be underwater right now. You can see the hill around the side. It's just the same as what you see in the west, except much smaller issues, and it's still covered up by grass because it's natural grass under the water there too. So anyway, it'll come back. It's not anything comparable to what's happening out west. I don't mean to compare it in that sense, other than it's just the timing of it. I see another story page. Let's go here. Way down deep in the deep blue sea, I spy a turtle following me. Hello, turtle. Tag along, turtle. See you later, turtle. Swim away. Okay, I stopped so you could listen. And I'm really gonna date myself here. But back in the 70s, that would be last century, there was a movie called Empire of the Ants. And this looks a lot like where these enormous ants would come and eat people. Of course, it's the 70s, so it's really horrible graphics. Check it out, check it out. Not an endorsement, but just a really comical movie. You'll hear it sounds like what I just let you hear here in the jungle. Way down deep in the deep blue sea, I spy an octopus waving at me. Hello, octopus. Give me 8, octopus. See you later, octopus. Swim away. You. Florida. How? Florida. Coming in for a landing. Another storybook page. Here we go. Way down deep in the deep blue sea, I spy a dolphin diving with me. Hello, dolphin. Hitch a ride, dolphin. See you later, dolphin. Swim away. Way down deep in the deep blue sea, I spy a swordfish fencing with me. Hello, swordfish. Touche, swordfish. See you later, swordfish. Swim away. Yeah, I've definitely got a storm coming in. That's the way I want to end up. That's what we're racing. We can do this. I hope. Story walk. Way down deep in the deep blue sea, I spy a whale spouting water by me. Hello, whale. Sing along, whale. See you later, whale. Swim away.
Looks Raggy. Haven't we been here before?
Like no, Scoob. We're lost. I can hear that storm coming. Oh. It's going to change what's happening. This lake will be not filled by this storm. Well, marsh area, not a lake. Way down deep in the deep blue sea, I spy a treasure gleaming at me. Hello, treasure. Pirate treasure. Take along, treasure. Swim away. It's a little bit more wide open. This path is going to curve around, but this openness is where the water typically would be. So it's like all of this. Here's things are brittle and dry. Way down deep in the deep blue sea, I spy a shark laughing at me. Goodbye, shark. I'd be swimming fast too. Roix! If you were to come visit Pondhawk, you have a choice here. This is a trail. It continues around the back, again through woods and private areas. Back there, more canopy, but it is not paved. Today, we're going to complete this direction, just so I could show you the lake area, marsh area, water area from the gazebo. Storybook coming up. Goodbye, whale. Goodbye, swordfish. Goodbye, dolphin. Does that mean our story's over? I hope not. There's our gazebo I showed you from the very beginning. We were on the other side of this marsh area here. Next stop, we'll be on the gazebo. I stopped just a little before the gazebo here. I think we're going to get a similar view up there, but I just wanted to be able to pan back here as well. And see, again, you could see where it starts to curve down, where the water would have been pushing up and making it like a lake. So it's beveled downwards. When it is filled, there's fish. I don't know where they're at, what happened to them. Maybe there's some form of water back deep in the bush back there. There's possibly alligators. They kind of go anywhere where they want. there's guppies and frogs. There's all kinds of wildlife there. And I mean, it's stuff that depends on that water, so I don't know where they're at the moment. Anyway, we're on our trek. We're coming close to the gazebo. And the gazebo we have reached. Sorry I didn't give you an outside view. Key West tile tin roof. Well built. Of course, every park in the state of Florida is amazing. Not to brag on them, but they really, really, really are. And these in Boca are also amazing. I love the area. You can see a little bit of the water, some of the brown down there. But until you see trees over there, this is almost always filled with water. I've never seen it like this. It may be normal. If anybody's from around here and you've seen anything like this besides this normal weather, I'm happy to hear about it. I am just amazed though, the amount of life that was here. So normal or not, it's an amazing loss of water. Look at that, a little piece of Florida over the treetop. Looks like I'm gonna beat the storm. Sorry to disappoint everybody. Probably just jinxed myself. Go ahead, if you're here, give them a shout. Wildlife and home life don't always mix well, so we do our part when we can. Look at this. We got one more. Up, up, up from the deep blue sea. I find Mama waiting for me. Hello, Mama. Guess what, Mama? I found treasure in the deep blue sea. Well, how about that? It appears he was in the bathtub, not the ocean. That's a great imagination. And our walk shall continue. All right, here we go. If you liked Way Down Deep in the Deep Blue Sea, you'll like these. If you scan the QR code on your screen right now, you'll be able to reach out and link to these wonderful story walk stories here in Boca Raton. I plan to bring them all. This is just the first, but if you want to see what's in store, take a peek. Follow the Floyds out. I'm gonna finish this video with a view around the lake. 360 here on me. And then I'm gonna walk back to the library and we will be on our way. Thanks for watching. And I accept tips on my storytelling. Maybe I didn't do so hot, but we did our best. Thank you to our natural areas adopter, the City of Boca Raton Recreational Services, and their partners, the Boca Raton Library and the Friends of the Boca Raton Library, for the donation of the Story Walk boards. We hope you enjoyed the book, observed wildlife, and had a wonderful stroll through one of Palm Beach County's natural areas. Adapt a Nature Area Program. Join individuals, civic groups, businesses interested in promoting and maintaining Palm Beach County's natural areas for a one-year agreement that may be renewed annually. By adopting a site, you agree to perform specific tasks or services, including but not limited to public education, information displays in public or business locations, monitoring invasive plant removal, native planting, and cleanup events. To apply, call 561-233-2400 or email erm-natural@pbcgov.com. That email again is erm-natural@palmbeachcountygov, pbcgov.com. Pardon me. And there's an ant on my foot, so I believe there's an ant crawling on me, so I apologize for a bouncy ending to my, again, beautiful, beautiful speech. All right, back again, we're done. I appreciate it, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful, beautiful park and the story walk.